She don't care about her future, she just tells me what she wants me to hear. She only want me for some moments, then she'll drop me, that's why I'm in fucking fear. She just wanna get drunk, roomed with her friends, maybe get a boyfriend, but that's a side questo. So I have a question, how's this gonna end? You don't seem too confident, so I'll divide in instruments to fend all the bad feelings in my gut. Such a detrimental, perforating feeling, fucking terminating my sense of what. I don't give a fuck if you just leave me now, don't leave me in my feelings of love. Fuck, so say it. I'm feeling my feelings of sadness instantly, guts I'm feeling the way that I want to be. I got some deals if you wait and you wanna see. I think you're playing if you think you wanted me. 1, 2, 3, you're a bad thing for me, better than last time, good enough for me. Why do I care if they don't care for me? Why would they drink if they're happy with me? I can't see, I should wake up, or maybe I shouldn't give a fuck. She don't care about her future, she just tells me what she wants me to hear. She only want me for some moments, then she'll drop me, that's why I'm in fucking fear. She don't care about her future, she just tells me what she wants me to hear. She only want me for some moments, then she'll drop me, that's why I'm